Let's see how much people eat hot lunch. 10% of people don't eat hot lunch. And 90% of people eat hot lunch. We have the cookie with 29% of people loving it. In second place, we have pizza with 8% of people being its favorite food. In third place, we have mac and cheese and the chicken sandwich with 5.8% of people liking it. In fourth place, we have the donut with 5.1% of people's favorite food. In fifth place, we have pasta, which 3.6% of people's favorite food it is. In sixth place, we have Bosco sticks, nachos, burger, churros, chips, ice cream, and salad at 2.9% of people liking it. In seventh place, we have pretzel with 2.2% of people liking it. In eighth place, we have quesadilla, wings, and burrito at 1.4%. And in ninth place, we have all the other foods like Takis, mozzarella sticks, and and muffins.
We asked students what they would like to add to the school cafeteria. Many students said popcorn, ramen, brownies, mozzarella sticks, and salads. Favorite food at the cafeteria?
My favorite food in the cafeteria is the pizza.
What would you like to add to the cafeteria?
If I was to add anything, I think they would need a bigger variety, so maybe some soups like chicken noodle soup or tomato soup, something like that.
What's your favorite food in the cafeteria?
The cookies.
And what would you like to add to the cafeteria?
Sprite.
Okay, cool. What's your favorite food in the cafeteria?
Probably the chicken sandwich.
And what would you like to add to the cafeteria?
Like a lemonade, like a bottle of lemonade.
Favorite food in the cafeteria?
Probably the gyros.
Okay, and what would you like to add to the cafeteria?
Dr. Pepper.
Okay, and what would you like to add to the cafeteria?
Dr. Pepper.
Okay. To add to the cafeteria?
Like a lemonade, like a bottle of lemonade.
Here, take it.
Olivia.
Okay.
Hey. You there? Like and subscribe, or else. You see this, scorpion? It will be on your bed if you don't like and subscribe.